Yo, what's going on, YouTube? So we're gonna be reacting to this man right here. He's gonna be revealing basically why these super attractive and attractive men are winning. And yeah, we're gonna break this down for y'all. So if y'all new here, let's go ahead and get this video a like, and let's get right into it, man.
So let me explain something to you men out there. Let me explain something. The dudes that like to spend money, the ones who says it's not tricking if you got it. Let me explain something to you. There is a social hierarchy in life. Meaning, in this world, we have what they call apex predators. A apex predator is a lion, a orca, a wolf. Those are apex predators. Top of the food chain. There is a such thing as social hierarchy in this world. Let me explain to you what I mean on a basic level. There are men out there in the world who are so attractive, very attractive, super attractive. They do not have to spend a dime. They've never spent a dime. You are not him. There are women who entertain these men. They don't have to spend a dime.
Man, and it's the reason why you don't have to spend anything is because you look so good. That's the obvious reason, right? But also, on the other side of it, women, they're a little more independent now. They don't need a man to do everything for them, right? They have careers. A lot of them have their own careers. They don't have kids. They're already getting men taking them out that they don't even like. So they're already by default getting things for free because of their pretty privilege, right? So when you have a guy who on the other end is very attractive, right? A lot of women already say, look, there's not that many men I find attractive, right? There's like been stats and statistics on shit like this that I've been seeing, and it's like women find like less than 10% of men attractive. Like, you know how they say all the women chase the top percent of guys, right? So if you are the super attractive top percent of guy, she's gonna break those rules for you, right? She's gonna take you on dates. She's going to want to pay for things, right? Buy you shit, you know. She's gonna be more okay with doing that versus the other guy who she's not, like she's like not really feeling them, which is the majority of guys that try to get at her, right? Not really feeling them, she good off them, right? But when it comes to the super attractive dude, he's playing life on a whole different playing field, right? It's just a whole nother reality, okay? And he knows this, right? The super attractive guy knows he makes women vulnerable, right? He knows what his power is, so it's up to him. He can use it for good or for bad, right? But women are vulnerable to these types of men, and they do the most for these types of guys. They really do, bro.
They
So
don't
let's
even have to
continue.
take these women on coffee dates.
Yes.
They are highly sorted out by women. 6 feet, 6-pack, 6 figures.
Yeah.
Sometimes
You don't
they
even
don't
need
even need to have 6 figures.
You don't even need 6 figures, bro. That's the real game right there, man. Like, bro, like even in my own life, bro. I'm not crazy attractive, right? But I am very put together. I'm tall. I'm in shape, right? And it's all about dealing with women who really like you, like high interest women. So if like, for example, like I've taken girls like for like walks on a walk for our first date, and they never complained about it. Like they were just enjoying it. So when you have a girl who really likes you, you could take her anywhere, right? It shouldn't matter to her where you go on the first date, right? And she should always be thankful and grateful no matter what you do. If you say you want to take her out on a dinner date, she should be thankful. If she's not thankful, then you can already see like, okay, maybe she just wants me for my money or whatever, or she's not that into me. But if a girl's really into you, anywhere you take her, she'll enjoy it as long as she's with you. And if she even tells you that, that's even a bigger indicator of attraction from her. Cause I've had girls tell me like, I don't care what we do, I just want to be with you. Like, I don't care what you got going on. I just like spending time with you. I like what we have. I don't want to change it. You know what I'm saying? So when she really likes you, she will break the rules for you. She will make exceptions for you because you're rare. Okay, that's just the bottom line. You're a rare man.
They may just be super attractive, have the height, have the structure. Those type of men who are highly sorted out by women do not spend any money.
Nope.
You, on the social hierarchy of things, are not allotted that privilege.
Yeah.
You have to spend the money.
Yeah.
You have to get the hair done. You have to get the nails done. You're not attractive on that level.
Yep. You gotta go through hella hoops, hella jump rope and hoops and double dutch. Like you gotta go through all that, man. And it's nothing. It's just what it is, man. Like that's why you deal with who wants you, because you don't have to be a super attractive guy to get girls. You don't. You could be average looking and get women, but it's like it's just a different playing field. You have to understand, right? So if you could find a woman who really likes you, she thinks you're the hottest thing since the slice of the Jesus bread, like you good, you chilling, right? As an average guy, but it's like, if you're super attractive because you get extreme reactions from women. When you go out, women probably approach you. You get DMs from women. You get you go on dating apps, you get dozens of matches a week. That's how you know you're a good looking dude. So it's just a different playing field, right? Because anybody can find somebody, right? Unless you unattractive, you can find someone as an average guy. You can find someone as an attractive guy. There's a woman for everyone out here, but some guys just don't have to do certain things, and it's not fair. But it is what it is, man. It's life, okay? It's life.
You're average, right? Some men are below.
I can't hear nothing.
Okay?
It's life.
And who determines that? The women determine that.
Thank you.
My level of attractiveness is determined by the women,
not men, and not you. Okay? I'm not on pausing this, but he's spitting right now. A lot of people on here, like even on my channel, bro, they're like, "Oh, you're not attractive. You look average." And I don't give a fuck. Most of them are like have no profile picture, right? And they're probably some 14-year-old little boy who literally knows nothing about the world. That's besides the point. But all I'm saying is, bro, especially if you're in this black pill space, some of you guys like to post and get face ratings from these people. All that matters is when you go outside, what happens to you. Doesn't matter what another man thinks about you. He thinks you look average. Oh, you're not getting any girls. At the end of the day, we all know looks are very, very subjective, okay? They can be objective in certain instances if you just have reached a certain level in looks, like you just are conventionally attractive, right? Where most people would say, yeah, he's good looking, okay? I feel like I'm kind of getting off topic now. Let me just...
Not by me. But let me help you understand something. I'm talking to you, the men. There is a social hierarchy.
Yeah.
Even among the human family, they are apex. Those type of men do nothing. They spend nothing. Some of them come fresh out of prison and move right in with a woman.
Y'all know.
No bullshit.
Y'all seen it.
This is true story.
Yeah.
There are men out there in the world who have nothing. They don't have no ID. They don't even got a bank account. But damn, they super attractive.
Yeah.
Listen to me. They're super attractive. They do not have to spend a dime. Do not let the internet fool you, my friend. I'm serious. Don't let the internet fool you. There is a social hierarchy.
Yep, there is. That's the simplest way to put it. It's a social hierarchy. If you're in that bracket, then you experience a different kind of treatment. It's just what it is, man. I feel like these videos are getting repetitive. I probably don't even need to make any more videos on this. I'm making a few more on the attractive men's game, but I feel like I gave you all the game, bro. It's just a social hierarchy. So if you want to be seen as that guy, what are you gonna do to put in the work to become that guy, right? So that's it for the video, bro. If y'all liked it, hit the like button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.